Hey, what is going on? Sean from Simple Sites here, coming at you with the HVAC snapshot. So with this one, it's coming in with two versions of the landing pages, and redirects you over to the booking and confirmation pages. The reason I have it in two separate folders, you can see here everything is very cleanly annotated. So if you already have a snapshot imported or you already have a sub account created, once you import this snapshot, it's going to be super duper easy to tell which funnels and custom values came from this specific one. Let me show you the landing pages here. So this is the version 1. I call this the Groupon landing page. Go to Groupon and type in HVAC service, and you can find which service is most popular. What's the one that most people are buying and looking for? Save $100 is pretty popular. Upfront pricing, no surprise fees, fully licensed and insured, local same day service, calling out the local audience. Hey, Myrtle Beach, it's a custom value, so you can type in whatever local market you want. A click to call button right here. Very simple form, name, email, phone number, and then some social proof and a map of the local area. What I do is I go to Google Maps and I type in the address of the business. Let me fix my camera here. Type in the address of the business, and then I just take a screenshot of the Google map, put it in here in an image element, and then hyperlink it to the Google map. So copy and paste the Google map link, so that way people can get directions very easily if they need to. So that's version 1 of the landing page. Version 2, a little more extensive. And this is all created with custom values, so you don't have to worry about design or anything like that. A few things that I would suggest you do with the design is changing the background image of this top section and the column background images moving down through the website here. The reason you should do that is I suggest that you almost never use stock images. So a lot of home service techs, they love taking pictures of their work, before and afters, things like that. So there should be no shortage of custom images very specific to the business that you're promoting with these offers. Just ask them, be like, hey, do you have a picture of working on a boiler? Do you have a picture working on an outdoors AC unit? Do you have a picture of some of your finished work or before and afters? Do you have a picture of your team or your truck? Or they'll have it. So just go ahead and ask them. This is all custom values. This is just text here. All of these buttons that you see, take them either to the footer form or the top form. This looks great on mobile also. It's all mobile optimized. The phone number up here is gonna be filled in with custom values. You're gonna use Google phone number, lead connector, call rail, Twilio, whatever phone number, the tracking phone number. Don't put the cell phone, don't put whatever phone number they have on the side of their truck. You're gonna use a specific tracking phone number for all of your landing pages. If they don't have one, you set it up and redirect it to their existing phone number, so that way you can track the effectiveness of your campaigns and you can prove your worth to your client. So this is the exact same form on this page that's on this one. So no matter what, whichever page you push leads to, whichever page the lead is generated on, they all get redirected to the calendar page. So on here, they're going to pick a time, they're going to click select date, name, email, phone number, and address. That's pretty important. Then once they fill that out, they come to the confirmation page. You can see the background image is a stock image, and I use the same one pretty much for all the pages except for this top page. Get a real life image of the business, put it as the background, and then on this appointment confirm page, the appointment information will pre-populate up here with the date and the time. Get a picture of the team and put it right here in the middle. Smiling faces looking at the camera. It is amazing for getting people to actually show up to the appointments. All the automations, you can see here that again, everything is very clearly separated, put in its own folder. So if you have another snapshot imported already, you don't have to worry about these getting mixed up with other workflows you have built. You just click on this, have a beefed up appointment reminder, confirmation, a beefed up auto missed call text back, new lead campaigns with delivery, birthday templates, database reactivation, follow-ups, and if they didn't close a sale, if you have someone that's looking for like a water treatment system or something like that, you can upload your database of customers and offer discounts for that. and no-show reactivation, review requests once service is done, and Google My Business integration to go with the quick chat that's available on Google My Business. Remove my face, and you'll see down here in the settings and custom values, this is where the magic happens. All of the custom values right here, the name, like the name of the offer, discount amount, the area, the market, the logo, your agency's name and email. So this is where the lead information gets delivered to the business owner is on behalf of your agency. So put your agency information here. The calendar link will actually be this calendar page. That's the custom value is within the automations and follow-ups. The discount funnel link, so that'll be either this one or this one. Go ahead, plug it in there, and that'll also be in the automations. Tracking phone number, the industry name, and let's see, next we have 6 more, and then 3 different packages here. So you'll be able to see those. This page has got a little bit of information. Schedule service, testimonials. You're gonna have to replace these with real life testimonials. And then right down here you can see different packages available. You can have these all set to be pre-opened, pre-closed, whatever. But these are in the custom values, so whatever 3 services are like big money makers for them, go ahead and plug those into the custom values, as well as the discount amount, and then use something like ChatGPT or whatever information they have in their existing website, or just through conversation, ask them, be like, hey, how would you describe the gold package? When a customer asks about a water treatment system, how would you describe it? A water purification installation, how would you describe it? Down here we have some general information. This is created with ChatGPT as well. I asked for non-plagiarized content specifically about HVAC service. Here you go. And then again with the map, same concept as on this one. The same screenshot I just plug right here. So there you go. This is the HVAC snapshot. It's made a lot of people's clients a lot of money in the HVAC industry. Go ahead and make a lot of money for your client in the meantime.